The P-channel MOSFET or PMOS is fabricated on an N-type substrate with P+ regions for both drain and source. It has holes as charge carriers. VGS and VDS are made negative, and so is the threshold voltage VT. The current enters the source and leaves through the drain, which is opposite to what we saw in NMOS. We won't concern ourselves much with the PMOS as it is an obsolete technology. Rather, we will briefly take a look at complementary MOS or CMOS. This utilizes both PMOS and NMOS and is the dominant MOS technology. We won't study CMOS right now, but will do so in later courses. The purpose here is to introduce you to this technology. Take a look at this figure. This is a cross-section of a CMOS integrated circuit, that is IC. Notice the insulation between the two devices here. Also notice the separate N-well for PMOS.